Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn about shapes. So let's start. This is a circle. It rolls around and around. Here are some examples of circle in our daily life. This is a donut. This is a ball. This is a clock. Let's learn again about circle. Donut, ball, clock. Let's learn rectangle. It has four sides. Two are long and two are short. Here are some examples of rectangle in our daily life. This is a window. This is a book. This is a phone. Let's learn again about rectangle. Window, book, phone. This is a triangle. It has three sides. Here are some examples of triangle in our daily life. This is a tree. This is a watermelon. This is a hat. Let's learn again about triangle. Tree, watermelon, hat. This is a square. It has four sides. They are all the same. Here are some examples of square in our daily life. This is a tiles. This is a dice. This is a carom. Let's learn again about square. Tiles, dice, carom. This is a pentagon. It has five sides. Here are some examples of pentagon in our daily life. This is a house. This is a circus tent. This is a carousel. Let's learn again. House, circus tent, carousel. This is a hexagon. It has six sides. Here are some examples of hexagon in our daily life. This is a honeycomb. This is a snowflake. This is a nut. Let's learn again. Honeycomb, snowflake, nut, This is a star. A star can have 5 or more sides. Here are some examples of star. This is a starfish. This is a shooting star. This is a flower. Let's learn again. Starfish, shooting star, flower. Keep shining bright like a star. I'll see you in the next video.